Text animation take time and energy to create. That's why I've designed 4 trendy text animation just for you. Watch to the end and get them for free. First, let's import our files. The easiest way is to open your folder, select them all and drag and drop them into Essential Graphic panel. Okay, let's start with the flicker effect. I think it's the most popular effect. To use it, just drag and drop it. And as you can see, it's already animated. Also, this is a responsive design template. That means you can change the length to make the animation slower or faster. In the edit panel, you have text fill and text stroke option. Let's change it and say creative, like you. If you change the fill, you must change the stroke. And with ease, you have your text animated. You can change the font and even the color. Why not? Also, you can change the scale and position up or down. It's easy. Next, it's my favorite, and you can tell me your favorite one in the comment. It's a text pull simple animation. You can change the text, let's say like if you didn't. And there is a trick here, some fonts are big. So all you need to do is scale it down or up, that's it. The third one is a simple cylinder text loop. You can change the text, the font, the color, and even the rotation. The last one is a fancy expanded text animation. Also, in the edit panel, you can change the text and the font, just be creative. And all of this, yes, is for free. Link in the description. Subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace!